name is Mark Evans. This is Cross-Platform Mobile Development Week 2. And this week, we actually implement SQLite in an iOS application and an Android application. I'm going to run through the questions, and then I'll show you how the apps work on both through the iOS emulator and the Android emulator. So what did you find most valuable this week? I would say just being able to implement this on each iOS and Android, because there's going to be a lot of applications and games that will utilize a relational database. So just being able to implementing it and getting it to work is very valuable. What did you find most challenging? I would say just passing the variable in where we would put our SQL statement to narrow down the search results. The actual statement or clause that you're putting in for CQ wasn't difficult at all, but just encoding that, making sure that it compiles on the iOS side or Android side was the most challenging. What would you have done differently if you could? Not really sure at this point. I think I fulfilled the requirements for each, but I'm sure there is after the fact. Just a few things that you could use more clarification on. I would say just the whole process on how to synchronize this with the server and how we're going to pull it down and keep it in real time. And I believe we're going to go into this next week, so this should be able to be answered. So I'll go over on the Android side first here. And as you can see, this is the application. If you hit show all, it's going to show all of the recipes that are in the database, in the SQLite database. If you hit clear, you can clear it back out. So now if we want to narrow this down a little further, you can search for the recipe name or the source. So let's just try a recipe. So I already know pizza's in there. So you hit pizza, you'll get back pizza here. Click it and get a little toast. Show you what's going on there. If you clear that out, you come back in here and do food.com, and that'll give you all the recipes with food.com. So as you can see, I can narrow down through show all, and that works just fine. So to continue, I can show you the iOS side. So you hit show all, and you can see all the recipes. Same thing, clear. You can narrow it down by pizza. Here you can see pizza. It'll give you a little alert. You clear it back out. You can search by food.com, and it'll narrow it down just like on the Android side. So as you can see, they both work fine for what you want it to do, and it's very useful. Alright, that's it. Hopefully this is what you wanted. That's it. Take care. Bye.